Yes. Good afternoon. I'm getting ready for going out. I'm going to church today because I would be able to go to church tomorrow because I have training again. That's why I'll go today. But before I go to church, because our church is night time, I'll pass by pharmacy. I need to find the pharmacy that accept my insurance. You could accept my insurance. Still hot outside. I need to put sunscreen. My face became so red. If it is hot outside. I need to change my glasses. Change my glasses. Hello guys. Today is the birthday of Junjun, my nephew. He's in the Philippines. He's not here. Oh, yes. The other day is my birthday. September 3. And also my nephew, twin nephew, the same birthday as me, last September 3. The son of my elder sister. I'm going to church today because tomorrow I have training again, and I'm not sure if I can go home 12 hours after 12 hours or I'm gonna be 24 hours training, because if no one is coming to watch the patient, we cannot leave the patient alone. We need somebody to endorse the task. If nobody's coming, we cannot leave. Need to stay. My hair still wet. I cannot put ponytail. Bye guys. See you later or tomorrow.